Good morning, Perfect Pools. And if you're wondering about if we're going to do a new video, well, at last we're doing a new video. I've been traveling, doing training and things like that, so I haven't had a chance to do an updated video. Well, we're doing a new one today. It's a pool renovation, but this is a special one. And the reason for that is sorry, I'm going to get out here. The reason for this one being special is that you won't believe it, but 21 or 22 years ago, when I opened the company, 23 years I opened the company, but 22 years ago, this customer was the very first customer's pool that we renovated. That's 22 years ago. So I thought it's special. It's a bit nostalgic, I suppose. But anyway, I'm going to take you on the journey, so stay tuned. I see my other team is already here, busy offloading the material. Let's go inside and check what's going on. So I'm back again. This is the swimming pool. Spoke to the customer. It's just maybe under 20 years that we did the pool, but yeah, we're back again, and I think it's time for us to do a renovation again. We're going to lift the paving here, as you can see, because the trees and the plants here started to affect and lift the paving. We're going to keep you up to date and keep you on the journey, so stay tuned. I'll be back in a second. Back at again, it's day number 2, and I'm making a point of smiling actually, because the previous video of yesterday I looked so depressed. Anyway, we've lifted the paving. There was a lot of roots underneath the paving. We've done the relining, but now we have to just wait, get all the corners fixed up and make sure that everything's looking nice and neat, and fix all the paving. So yeah, not a very long video, but quick. I'll see you tomorrow again. From my side, bye. Simon again here from Perfect Pools. I've just arrived at the customer's house. Well, we finished yesterday, and the pool is looking absolutely fantastic. Customer loves it. Just want to get around the table here, and that is the final product. Rainy water. We've also had some bit of rain yesterday, so the water is still a little bit cloudy, but the customer will pop into the shop tomorrow just to get that sorted out. But I think in total, or in final comments, we're quite happy. Customers very happy. Well, they've been customers of mine for 20 years, like I said in the video. So yeah, don't forget to give us a call, and remember, the customer, let me show you this quickly. The customer made sure they took the deal where they've got a brand spanking new Zodiac Elite, I think it's the product. It's over 4,000 rands worth of pool cleaner. So yeah, if you accept our quotes for the winter months, I think till the end of July, till the end of July, you get a free pool cleaner with every fiber line job that we do. From my side, until next time, see you, bye.